Aurolab, one of the entities of the Arvind Eye Care system and spark of Dr. V Vision, started in 1992. In its journey of over 31 years, Aurolab has responded to this need by adopting technologies, manufacturing input substitutes, and increase the reach globally. We have successfully adopted technologies from the US, Germany, and Australia, using equipments from various countries in Europe and US to bring the best of quality products with the reach of common man in India and other developing countries. Of the many products manufactured in India, 15 products have been manufactured for first time in India by Aurolab, greatly reducing our dependence on high-cost imported products. Today, Aurolab has 5 divisions dedicated to develop and supply need-based products. IOL division manufactures extensive range of IOLs. It employs robotics in its assembly lines while manufacturing around 12,000 lenses a day, each and every IOL meticulously tested and packed, ensuring highest of standards. Pharma division manufactures wide range of cost-effective products. This division has introduced some products that are first time made in India or in Asia and even to the world. The suture needle division brought down cost of its consumables and minimizes the reuse of sutures. With capabilities in metal and silicon-based manufacturing, it is entering many more relevant products line needed by the society. Surgical blade division was started with the goal of adopting high-end technology for achieving high precision and consistency, which impacts surgical outcomes. The equipment division was started to fill an existing gap in delivering high-quality, low-cost, robust machines for use in developing countries. Aurolab responds to this need by making equipment with indigenous components and customized software. All of this comes from one manufacturing unit based at Madurai. 25 million people see the world through Aurolab IOLs. Much remains to be done. Our march under Arvind Eye Care system continues.